charisma Plaatjie. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly subscribe, leave a comment, engage and share. And if you're a returning savvy, what it do gang? Welcome honeys. It's lovely to have you guys back. And today, without wasting any time, as y'all can see, we are shooting episode 1 of hair installation, which is basically, it's beginner friendly, like equipment that you need to install your hair, or you could say what you need to install your hair basically. And I'll be having like more episodes where I do installation, removal of the wig, another episode of how to remove glue into your lace and stuff. And man, as you can see, I'm sending on business. Y'all can send those weaves, send that hair child, so we can try them, so we can work together, so we can collaborate. So yeah, man, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. First thing first, when you install your wig, you can't install your wig on top of your hair like me. Like right now I have bunnies, like, you know, talking about pond, you can install your hair like this. You gotta get cornrows. I'll leave a picture somewhere here of cornrows because I haven't yet plated them, but I'll be plating them maybe today or tomorrow. So you're gonna make cornrows, child, so your lace can be laid, so your wig can sit well, you know. And secondly, you need a wig cap. So I got a wig cap HD premium quality. You need this, so you basically put this on top of your cornrows, yeah. And this wig cap was basically 10 rand. And second thing, you need elastic band to lay the wig. I'm not sure how much was, no, it was 9 rand. China, guys. Secondly, you need this. Thirdly, you need this clips to hold your hair as you straighten your hair. I got this for 19 rand. And thirdly, you need this needle comb. It will help you open like the style one, like the overall style and then, you know, laying your lace. It'll make it easier. Needle comb. And you need a hairbrush, obviously, to brush your hair. Needle comb was 6 rand. Yeah, go China Mall. And then this hairbrush is 14 rand. And obviously you need a scissor, but this is not the scissor that I'm gonna use to cut my lace. Obviously there's a scissor that I'm gonna buy, it's just that I have to show you guys something. So you need a scissor to cut your lace. Yes, child. And now we're getting into the real business. What do you need to lay your glue? I basically bought Ghost Bond. This is what most people use. I got it for 32 rand. Or if you don't want to use Ghost Bond, you can use Ultimate Extra Mega Hold. But I can, something like whatever we used to have, got to be glue spray, something like that. Because yeah, this brand, I got this brand. So basically you can use both, like use the spray to lay your wig cap and then on top use a Ghost Bond glue, and then, you know, obviously. So I got this for 99 rand. Yeah, man. And let's get to the part of what you use to remove your wig. You could use this remover. I got it for 20 rand. All those goodies, guys, I got them go China Mall. You can imagine how reasonable these prices are. You don't have to spend much into your wig stuff. stuff that you use to lay your wig. I got a waxing stick, obviously to make your wig soft and laid, child, for 35 rand. Imagine. So I got this for 35 rand. Okay, and installing a wig, obviously you need hair. So I have a very much old wig in here. I don't know, I'll be using this or what I'm supposed to be receiving today or what, I'll see. But obviously you need a wig, yeah, child. And this bag packaging, I got it from Modish Hair, Chavalala's brand. I think it was 21st subscribers, no, 22 subscribers, something like that, 22k subscribers. And then we went there for a lunch one, and then we got like hair package, hair bags, something like that. So yeah, man. And you're gonna need a straightener, child. She gets. So this is my straightener that I have been using the whole time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Straightener, this one I think it's like 120 or 150 at discount. I got this at discount, so yeah, it's more like it. And my old wig, I think in somewhere Cape. That has been my wig. That's the only wig that I owned. So I gotta receive some goodies, some hair. You also gotta send me some hair, child. Those brands, send those boxes. Let's try the wigs on. Let's work with hair, child. You get me? Yay. And let's unbox hot comb. I also got hot comb. A comb on its own does not really lay your hair that much, so you need a hot comb. So I got this for, was it 120, something like that. So yeah, man. So this is what it looks like. This is the hot comb. So this is the cover. So yeah, man. This is what we talk about when we say hot comb. I got it for 120. I'm not sure if I still have the slip with me, so I can check the total of how much I spent on everything. But I mean, I feel like 500 will be enough for everything here, excluding the wig. Yeah, excluding the wig. Bag inside the box, child. Bag inside to the box. And then hair dryer, obviously it helps with drying the glue or the spray glue before you could actually lay your lace or lay your wig. So I got this one for 150. We're still learning, guys, we're still learning, so there was no point for me to buy luxury things or expensive things. But personally for me, they look cute, child. They look beautiful, if you ask me. So this is my hair dryer. It looks so cute and very small. She looks so cute, child. So I can remove this. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to install my first wig with you guys. So I got this for 150. So everything, go China model, guys. So yeah, like I said, I think everything cost me 500, excluding the hair, because I didn't buy the hair. So anyhow, guys, I'll see you guys on my episode 2 of hair installation. I don't know if I'll be doing cornrows or things that you do before you can actually install your wig, or would I be installing the wig with you guys, or I'll see what's the second episode of hair installation. But there'll be like several episodes of hair installation, like the hacks and all of that, Jamie. So thank you so much if you have watched till this far. kindly leave a like, a comment, and share and subscribe. And see you guys on episode 2 of hair installation, or see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.